Hello guys, welcome back. So in previous video, I taught you that in this video I'm going to teach you a sorting method, and today I'm going to teach you uh, bubble sort, right? So there are many sorting methods like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, like that. So I will teach you in future videos. So today we are going to do bubble sort, right? So in bubble sort, there is a condition. So these are the number of elements that I took in this array. So you can take you can take elements as you wish, right? So in my array there are 5 elements, and when I number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In an array, right? So you must, in bubble sort, you must know one thing, that is, if this element, right? This element is greater than one element, right? If 0th element is greater than one element, then you have to swap. You have to swap like this. If there is 18 and here is 20, if sorry, we will take 28. If 28 is greater than 20, yes, it's true, and you must swap. Then we are writing 20, 28, like this. Okay. So in this array there are 5 elements. So in bubble sort there are parsers, right? In sorting method there are parsers. So the number of elements is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can take by getting the number of elements, we can take the appropriate parsers for the whole sort, right? So number of elements minus 1, n minus 1 is equal to number of parsers, right? So there are 5 elements, n minus 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So there are 4 parsers, right? So this is a one pass, right? I will tell you how to do it, right? Now first 15, 16, 6, 8, 5. Now we are starting by 15. Is 15 is greater than 16? No. Now we are writing it same, right? 15 is greater than 16? No. We are writing the same number sequence. Now we are moving to the second one, right? We are checking 16 and 6. Is 16 greater than 6? Yes. Now we are in other array. In next one we are writing 15, 6, 16, and the other element same as, right? And next we are checking 16 and 8, right? Is 16 is greater than 8? Yes. Then again we swap, right? Then 8 comes here and 16 comes here. Next we will move to next one, and is 16 greater than 5? Yes. Then again we are swapping. 5 comes here and 16 comes here. And you can see the 16. This is now already sorted. Right? Now this is the first pass. And next we will take the second pass. Next you have to write these numbers. 15, 6, 8, 5, and 16, right? And again we are checking this. Is 15 is greater than 6? Yes, it's true, and we are writing 6, 15, 8, 5, 16. And then we are checking 15 and 8. Is 15 greater than 8? Yes. Then we are set 8, 15, 5, 6. Next we are checking 15 and 5. Is 15 greater than 5? Yes. Again we are solving. Right. Now we are solving this one. Is 15 is greater than 16? No. Now we are writing same. Right. So this is the second pass. Now these two elements are already sorted. Right. Now we will move on with the third pass. This is the pass 2. Now we will move on with the third pass, and we will write the same this 6, 8, 5, 15, 16. Right? Now again we are checking, right? Is 6 greater than 8? No, it's wrong. Then we are writing 0. Next, is 8 greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. Then we are separating, right? 5, 8, 15, 16. Right? Now we are checking 8 and 15. Is 8 is greater than 15? No. We are writing same answer, right? And now, is 15 greater than 16? No. Again, we write. Again, we write the same. Now these three are already sorted, right? Next, so this is the pass 3. This is the pass 3. So one more pass to go, right? And now we are taking these numbers. Is 6 is greater than 5? Yes. So we are going to submit. And now you see, is 6 is greater than 8? No. Is 15 is greater than, is 8 is greater than 15? No. Right? I will write it. Is 8 is greater than 15? No, we are not certain. Is 15 greater than 16? No. Right? So, now this is already sorted. Right? This is pass 4. Right? I told you that there are n minus 1 elements. There are n minus 1 elements. So n minus 1 is the number of passes, right? So you can see there are 4 passes. This is pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, and pass 4. Right? It is the way that it goes. Now we will move on with the code implementation. Right? So the first thing is you must know the general logic of this, right? Before you go to the code, just you have to remember the basic concept. That is the most important part, right? So in this is the code. In here, this code has 2 loops, right? Outer loop and the inner loop, right? So the outer loop is for the parsers. I said there are 4 parsers, pass 1, 2, 3. It is for parsers, and inner loop is for iterations. That means the stepping process, right? So now we have a for loop, and I is this. We are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now I is equal 0, and I is less than n minus 1. N minus 1 is 4. Then I plus plus. Then we are going to the inner loop, and j is equal 0. J is less than n minus 1, and j plus plus. So there is a condition if array A in I, like I element in A, that means if this element, that means the stepping process, right? If 16 is greater than, if 15 is greater than j plus 1, j plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1, this element. 15 is greater than 16, then this is the swapping process. Swap. Right? You can take, I have taken the variable as step. You can take any of these. This is the second process. Step is equal a j element, and a j element is equal a j plus 1. And at last we are putting the new element in this step variable, right? That is the particular. That the basic thing here is there are 2 loops, outer loop and inner loop. Outer loop is for parsers, that means number of parsers, pass 1, 2, 3, 4, and the inner loop is for iterations, right? And then we are putting a condition here, ai element, right, is greater than j plus 1. J plus 1 is c, and this is 0, and we are taking 0 is equal, 0 is 0, and j plus 1, j is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. This is this greater than ith element? And now in here, in this condition, this is wrong, so the swapping will not happen. And in this condition, it will get true, and this swapping will be done, right? So the most important thing is, like I previously said, you must learn the basic concept, right? The ones I explained clearly. You must know the n minus 1 is the number of parsers and how many elements there are in the array, right? By knowing that, you can easily implement the code, right? So I hope that you will get a better understanding about how the bubble sort will apply. So in next video, I will teach you about the insertion sort. Thank you so much. Bye guys.